to another My Two Good Hands video. Hey, we're out here in the yard. We got these Bilco doors here. That's to get us into the basement, also known as tornado doors. They're metal, and you can see the paint job's starting to go. So we're going to start with a good cleaning with this barkeeper's friend. We're going to start on the far side, work our way across. But here's the thing. This was painted in the 90s with Centauri DuPont. Can't get it anymore. So we're trying to figure out what we're going to paint it with. We think we got a good product. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, post notifications on, use the Amazon links below, please. If you're going to buy this product or anything else, when you go there to Amazon, it does help support this channel. We greatly appreciate your subscription and using the links below. Thank you very much. We got the back side. Get some of this. Barkeeper's friend, great stuff for removing rust on any surface. Let's open this up and clean inside. All right, so we're back. Wind blew the camera over there, boom. Got a new speaker hookup, so we are good to go again. We get the green light, and we're good, so we're going to go work on this again. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to My Two Good Hands. We're going to let this dry, and then when the weather breaks, going to get this off and start sanding this down. We're probably going to wet sand it, but you'll stay tuned and you'll find out if we wet sand it or if we do it with Scotch-Brite. And then we're going to roll a paint job on here. It's going to be great. Don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on. Use the links below to shop My Two Good Hands. Welcome back to another My Two Good Hands video. Hey, we're out working on this. You saw in the beginning of this video where we cleaned it up well. Now we let it sit for a while. It's all dry. We're going to take the handle off and we're going to wipe it down one more time with some Scotch-Brite and get started here. So we're hoping we got the right thing here. Oh yeah, look at this. The nice thing is these were sealed really well, so they come out easy. And oh, look at that. Probably take this in the garage and paint this nice and black again too. So we're going to be painting this today with a Rust-Oleum product. It's gray again, like the gray we got on here, a little darker to match the house. But we painted this back in the mid-90s with Automotive quality paint. It was an enamel. It was, I believe it was DuPont Centauri, actually. And it's done, it's held up fabulous. Considering, you know, hey, it's been almost 30 years, but it's starting to get a little of that fade through. So we're going to wipe it up with this next, and we're going to get set up to paint. Take a little break, go get our gloves, get our paint opened up, and get our brush going, and we're gonna brush the far side of that. We won't show you that because you won't be able to see it, but we'll bring you back when we go to do the rolling, because we're gonna roll Rust-Oleum for a beautiful finish. Now we're putting a little PPE on. We're just gonna cover our hands with these gloves. Rust-Oleum doesn't come off easy. Not off your hands anyhow. All right. Gonna start out with our can and our stick here. Oh yeah, it looks really nice, just right in the can there. Gonna see what it's like to stir. We did have them at the paint store run these in the shaker to save us time here. And it looks pretty stirred actually still. That was a week ago, but hey. Okay. So we're going to take that, just lay it over there for now. And what we're going to do is we're going to go in and do this up above here. And it goes up. Okay, so now we have to get our paint nuts out of here, and we're going to go to this side. We'll bring you back because you're not going to be able to see us paint over there. Well, hey, we were going to roll this, but it's going on so nice with a brush and leveling out so nice. We're going to do it with a brush, and we're going to start on this side, and then we're going to do this side. Gotta be careful not to get near the side of this because we painted it already. Okay. Okay, let's tip this. Okay, keep coming down. Oh, as it gets slower, it's harder to work on. Okay. I try to tip the same direction, but sometimes when you get near an edge like this, you got to do a little bit in a different direction. You see a spot, you can go back and add a little paint and re-tip it. Okay. See a spot up here, we got a tip right here. Okay, so hey, thanks for watching my two good hands. There'll be links to stuff for Amazon down below. Please use the links to shop, help support the channel. We appreciate all that. So it keeps us going here and get you more content. You can see how that looks. Looks pretty good. We're going to let it dry. It's going to take a few hours probably. Rust-Oleum dries really slow. The best way to do this would have been take it off, bring it back in, sand it, re-automotive it, and be good for 30 years. It'll be interesting. Like and subscribe to the channel. And then 5-6 years from now, if this falls apart, I'll do another video and show you that you shouldn't use Rust-Oleum. But right now I'm saying you should use Rust-Oleum. It works great. Didn't have to uninstall it. All the fasteners to the concrete and everything in the house are all rusty. And you got to pull some of the siding off. So I didn't want to do it. So I wanted to do it in place. This is how I did it. I was going to roll it, but it was going on so smooth. There's a little bit of dirt in it from the air because it's windy out. But hey, that's how it goes when you work outside. We'll catch you in the next video.